Do you know how diverse India's geography is? Let's embark on a journey to explore it. This vast country, spanning an area of 3.28 million square kilometers, is nestled amidst an array of diverse geographical features. The grandeur of the lofty Himalayas guards its northern frontier, while the Arabian Sea washes its western coast. The eastern boundary is lapped by the waters of the Bay of Bengal, and the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean defines its southern edge. The geographical stretch of India is impressive. From the northernmost point in Kashmir to the southernmost tip in Kanyakumari, the country spans roughly 3,200 kilometers. In the east-west direction, the distance from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch in Gujarat is about 2,900 kilometers. But the geographical wonders of India don't end here. The country's locational setting is equally fascinating. Positioned between 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes, and 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 24 minutes east longitudes, India witnesses a unique phenomenon. With every degree of longitude, the local time changes by approximately 4 minutes. This results in the sun rising almost 2 hours earlier in the eastern region of Arunachal Pradesh than in the western state of Gujarat. India also has its own standard time, based on the local time of the longitude of 82 degrees, 30 minutes east. This is not just a nation, it's a geographical marvel, a testament to the diversity and complexity of the Earth's landscapes. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of the southern coast, from the arid deserts of the west to the lush greenery of the east, every corner of India tells a different geographical tale. So India is not just a country, it's a geographical marvel. India is a friendly neighbor to 7 countries, and internally it is a union of states and territories. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating aspect of India's geography. Starting with our international neighbors, India shares its borders with 7 countries. Moving from west to east, we first encounter Pakistan, followed by China, Nepal, and Bhutan. Further east, we come across Bangladesh. To the south, separated by the Palk Strait, we find Sri Lanka. Finally, nestled in the Indian Ocean, the Maldives forms another neighbor to India. This varied neighborhood contributes to India's rich cultural diversity and complex geopolitical dynamics. Now, let's turn our gaze inward. India is a vast country, and to manage its affairs efficiently, it is divided into 28 states and 7 union territories. Each of these divisions has its unique cultural identity and administrative machinery, yet they all come together to form the vibrant mosaic that is India. New Delhi, the capital city, serves as the nerve center of this vast administrative network. The states themselves are incredibly diverse in size. Rajasthan, with its sprawling deserts and majestic forts, holds the title for the largest state in terms of area. On the other end of the spectrum, we find Goa. Despite being the smallest state, Goa packs a punch with its beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife, proving that size isn't everything. However, it's not just the states that make up India. The 7 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi, play a vital role too. These territories, directly governed by the union government, add another layer of diversity to India's administrative fabric. So, there you have it. From sharing borders with 7 countries to being a union of 28 states and 7 union territories, India's geographical and administrative landscape is as diverse as it is vast. This diversity, coupled with unity, forms the essence of India. Thus, India is a diverse yet united nation. Scene script. India is a land of geographical wonders, from mountains to deserts to coastal plains. The physical divisions of India are as diverse as they are vast. Spanning from the northernmost tip to the southernmost point, the country's landforms paint a picturesque and varied tableau. In the north, we find the majestic Himalayas, aptly named the abode of snow. These towering ranges are divided into 3 main parallel belts: the Great Himalayas or Himadri, the Middle Himalaya or Himachal, and the Shivalik. Each of these ranges boast unique features and landscapes, contributing to the overall diversity of the region. South of the Himalayas, the northern Indian plains stretch out, a vast expanse of fertile land. These plains are characterized by alluvial deposits made by the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and their tributaries. This is the heartland of India, a region that has nurtured civilizations for thousands of years. Moving further west, you'll encounter the stark yet striking Great Indian Desert. This arid landscape stands in stark contrast to the lush plains and snow-capped mountains, offering a testament to the country's geographical diversity. Further south of the northern plains, the peninsular plateau awaits. Here, the Aravalis, the Vindhyas, the Satpuras, the Narmada, the Tapi, the Western Ghats, and the Eastern Ghats form a complex and intricate topography. This region is rich in minerals and boasts a unique ecology. To the west of the Western Ghats and east of the Eastern Ghats, the coastal plains unfurl. The Eastern Coastal Plains and the Western Coastal Plains both offer a distinct beauty with their lush greenery and pristine beaches. And let's not forget the Sundarban Delta, where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. This is the world's largest mangrove forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna, including the Royal Bengal tiger. These diverse physical features make India a country of unique geographical beauty. In addition to the mainland, India also comprises beautiful islands. These are not just isolated land masses surrounded by water, they are vibrant ecosystems, each with a unique culture and biodiversity. Let's traverse the turquoise waters of the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal to discover the two groups of islands that are part of India. Firstly, we have the Lakshadweep Islands, a group of 36 islands in the Arabian Sea, off the southwestern coast of India. This archipelago is India's smallest union territory. The name Lakshadweep translates to 100,000 islands in the Malayalam and Sanskrit languages, an apt name for this gem-like cluster of islands. Known for their coral reefs, crystal-clear lagoons, and rich marine life, the Lakshadweep Islands are a paradise for nature lovers and scuba diving enthusiasts. Now, let's sail over to the east, to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, located in the Bay of Bengal. This group of islands is closer to Thailand and Myanmar than to the Indian mainland. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a union territory of India, consist of approximately 570 islands, islets, and rocks. These islands are home to the Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the indigenous tribes like the Sentinelese, who are among the last uncontacted people on Earth. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands have a unique mix of flora and fauna, with tropical rainforests, white sandy beaches, and vibrant coral reefs. They are also known for their historical significance. The infamous Cellular Jail, where many Indian freedom fighters were imprisoned during the colonial era, stands as a solemn reminder of India's struggle for independence. From the coral atolls of Lakshadweep to the rainforests of Andaman and Nicobar, these islands are not just geographical features. They are living, breathing entities that contribute to India's immense biodiversity and cultural heritage. They are a testament to the diverse geography of India, with each island telling its unique story. These islands add another dimension to India's diverse geography. Our journey continues as we explore more of India's fascinating geographical features. Did you know that the Tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through India? Indeed, this imaginary line, also known as the Northern Tropic, plays a significant role in shaping India's geography and livelihoods. The Tropic of Cancer, which lies at 23.5 degrees north of the equator, dissects India from the middle, passing through 8 states. These are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. This geographical positioning has a profound impact on the country's climate and, consequently, its agriculture. Firstly, let's talk about the climate. India's weather patterns are largely dictated by the Tropic of Cancer. The areas north of this line experience a subtropical climate with distinct seasons: winter, summer, and monsoon. On the other hand, regions south of this line enjoy a tropical climate, characterized by relatively high temperatures throughout the year with a significant amount of rainfall. Now, let's move on to agriculture. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two almost equal halves, and this division is reflected in the country's farming practices. To the north of the tropic, where the climate is subtropical, you'll find crops like wheat, maize, and mustard. Conversely, in the tropical south, farmers predominantly grow rice, sugarcane, and a variety of fruits. But the influence of the Tropic of Cancer extends beyond climate and agriculture. It also affects the length of the day throughout the year. For instance, in the northern regions, there is a significant difference in day length between summer and winter. However, in the south, the variation is much less pronounced. It's fascinating, isn't it? How an imaginary line drawn on the globe can have such a profound impact on a country's geography, climate, and way of life. Thus, the Tropic of Cancer plays a vital role in shaping India's geography and livelihoods.